Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and sorry about my fingers and hands. I had a little fountain pen incident earlier. So as you can see, today I'm going to be doing a special collaboration kit. This is the kit I'm going to be using. It is from Keatown and it is very pretty. And I'm going to be using it in my print pression weeks. Now my friend who I'm doing this collaboration with is at Sergio Savage & Co. And you can check out his YouTube. You can find his link in the description. I will have his video linked. We are using the same kit, and while I'm using the print pression weeks, he'll be using the print pression weeks so we can compare how our weeks turned out with the same kit. So let's get started. Alright, so first of all, I'm putting down a flag from the kit and also lettering March in, and because this kit doesn't come with date covers, I am also lettering the days of a week, and I'm using my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen, which all of my supplies and pens are linked in the description below. So first of all, I have a better microphone, so better voiceovers, as you can probably hear, which is nice. And to be honest, it's a very cheap microphone that I found lying around the house. I can't believe I didn't find it earlier. But yeah, I have it now, which is good. Second of all, I am recovering from a cold, so sorry if my voice sounds a bit weird. It was very quick, and I'm recovering well, but I just have to get this video out. So yeah. This bottom washi that I'm putting down, I did trim it a bit to make it fit in my print pression weeks, and now I'm starting to put some headers down. So the first one is this week. Afterwards, I'll put an emoji head down on a habit tracker, and because I have to do my elastics because I'm currently in my last stages of wearing braces, and I really need to get that done. Next, I'm going to go work on the sidebar a bit. Later, as you'll see, I'm going to put down some deco. So like I said earlier, this week is a collaboration with @sergiosavage.co. Both on Instagram and YouTube, we are putting out Plan With Me's at the same time, which you can watch. I will have his linked in the description. And because I think we're both doing like before the pen spreads, not for me mostly, I'm just putting most of the stickers and a few plans I know. So we will be posting our finished spreads on Instagram, and I will also link our Instagrams in the description below. So here at this point, you'll see that I messed up. I put the bottom washi for the second half of this week, since I'm doing a week on 4 pages, on the next page instead of where it was supposed to go, so I have to quickly fix that. Luckily, I didn't rip out too much of a page, so if I use like a full kit or something for the week after this, hopefully it'll be salvageable and not that noticeable. So yeah, that was my mess up for this week. Luckily, my battery decided to run out directly after this, so luckily you didn't miss too much. So next, I'm putting the quote box down at the bottom, which is not what I usually do, but I forgot to put it before using the sidebar at the top. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Here I'm using some deco, and then after I'm gonna start the fun part, which is putting all of the full boxes down. So as you can see here, I'm trying something which I normally don't do. So normally I scatter my full boxes out every day throughout the days, but here I'm just putting them all in the middle. That's a kind of a cute look that I'm trying out for this week, and I quite like it. So I might do it if it fits in other spreads, because normally I plan out like chronologically, like top to bottom. So normally if I have something for a long period of time, something that's happening for long periods of times, I will put a full box there. But this time I think it turned out really nice. So because I think this kit was meant for more like Erin Condren's or like bigger planners, I did have to cut down the checklists a bit, so I cut them down to 3 circles, just so that they would fit in the top portion better. And I will put all of them down for the weekdays, but for the weekend, I haven't put them down yet. And I'm not sure if I will, because I'm not sure if I will have like tasks to do on the weekend, or if I want to mark them in a different way. So the first event that I know for sure is happening on Monday is math. Here, as you can see, I put down a quarter box from the kit, as well as this checkbox or checklist icon from Ambitious Mimi, and I also lettered in that I had math on that day. Next, on Wednesday, my podcast, my other one, not my planning one, it releases weekly episodes on Wednesday. So I put down a little things or a label from the kit and then a music or headphones icon from Ambitious Mimi and just wrote that down. I am also filling in some tasks that I will know I have to do on specific days, like publishing my plan with me and stuff like that. So on Tuesday, I put down this nerdy emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. to mark in that I had to work on my analysis homework. And then flipping to Thursday, I put down a half box and then I put down a class script sticker to mark in that I had SMS from 4:30 to 6:30. After that, I jumped back to Thursday and put down a study sticker from Ambitious Mimi to mark in that I had to study for an upcoming test. And so that is pretty much where my spread is at for this current plan with me. Of course, I will keep filling it in. And of course, you can see both of our completed spreads on Instagram. I will leave all the links in the description below. So here I'm just showing you which stickers I have left to plan out the rest of this week. I used all the full boxes. And as you can see, I still have a lot of functionals left. For my bullet journal, where I keep my to-do list, my main to-do list with everything, I did a vertical setup as well with some matching colors I pulled out my Tombows for. So yeah, that is pretty much this week's plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you guys check his video out as well. If you like this, please like, subscribe and hit the bell and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!